people on the boat.
I'm not going to leave you.
I can handle you. Come back for me when everyone else is off, not before. Do you understand?
You know, I'm 12 minutes older than you.
Oh. Costello! We will hit the market. Costello!
You didn't see that coming.